Hello and welcome back to my video. My name is Ginger, and if this is your first time joining me, be sure and hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you get notified when I upload new content. Today I have just a small haul, and then I'm gonna follow this video up with a couple of flip throughs on a couple of the Happy Planner sticker books. But today I picked up some rings. These are the assorted sizes. I actually picked up all they had just because I am going to take my Happy Planner sticker books apart like my friend Gail did on The Planning Girl. She is here on YouTube. I will link that video down below, but she did a great job. And it was very organized, and I loved the way that she took her sticker books apart and utilizes them so much more now. So I picked up these four. I think these were $1.89 at Target. And then I picked up some planner dots. These are by Noted, which is by Post-it. And these were $3.99. You get 3 sheets for a total of 408 dots. And I just use them as bullets. Sometimes I color code some things in my planner, so I picked those up. And then these are both repurchases. I know I purchased them before, but I can't find my Essential Planning and my Household book. So I picked those up. Because they are so functional, and I am a functional planner. So if you don't have these two, these are perfect for being very functional. And then I picked up the handwritten colored boxes. Super handy. I'll do a flip through of this in another video. So that is to come. Be watching for that one. And then I also picked up the Boss Babe social media planning, which I didn't even know that they made this book, or that I had been, that it was out there. And it was released in 2019. So I will do a flip through of this one too, in case you were like me and you didn't know that it was even available. So, so that's my small haul. I will be back to do a couple of flip throughs on these 2 new sticker books. And I hope everyone has a wonderful week. And if you are not already subscribed, be sure and hit that subscribe button. Be sure to like this video if you enjoy it, and possibly share it. And leave me a comment. Which is your favorite book? Do you have any of these? The Household, the Essential Planning, Boss Babe, or handwritten colored boxes? And I'll be back soon with another crafty planner video.